Hey streamers, I'm Spazzy McGee, your Stream MacGyver, here to help you level up your content and build your brand across platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and beyond. Welcome to another episode. Today we're diving into the top 10 mistakes new streamers make, and trust me, I've made a lot of them myself. Are you making these common streaming mistakes? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid them. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe if you're serious about growing your streaming game, and follow me on Twitch where we go live every week for even more tips and real-time Q&A. Mistake number 1, poor audio quality. Your viewers might forgive bad video, but bad audio, that's a stream killer. Invest in a good microphone. Even a budget USB mic like the Blue Yeti can make a world of difference. But what if you're not ready to invest yet? No problem. There's free software that can take your audio to the next level, even if you're using something as simple as a built-in gaming headset mic. Voicemeeter Banana is a fantastic free tool that allows you to control and enhance your audio. It lets you balance game sounds, voice, and background music with ease, giving you that pro-level sound without breaking the bank. Not a fan of additional software? No worries. OBS has built-in filters like noise gate, compression, and gain that can also help clean up your sound. It's a great option if you want to keep things simple. And of course, investing in good equipment, like a proper XLR mic and audio interface. It can take your audio from good to great. But even with basic gear, these tools can drastically improve your stream sound. What's your go-to method for improving audio quality? Have you tried Voicemeeter, OBS filters, or maybe both? Drop a comment and let me know. Your community is everything on Twitch, and the fastest way to lose them is by not interacting. Even if there's only one person in your chat, talk to them. Use tools like chat bots to help with the flow, and don't be afraid to pause your game to address questions or comments. Engaging with your community builds loyalty. And speaking of community, join me on Twitch every week. Let's chat and grow together. Next up, inconsistent streaming schedules. If your audience doesn't know when to find you, they won't make the effort to come back. A consistent schedule helps people to know when to tune in. Use tools like Google Calendar or apps like Twitch's built-in schedule feature to plan ahead. Consistency creates trust. The fourth mistake is not promoting your streams. Just hitting that go live button isn't enough. Use social platforms to build hype. Post clips, countdowns, or even a quick story reminding people of when you're going live. The key is creating engaging, shareable content that teases what they'll experience on stream. Not setting up alerts for new followers or donations, that's missing out on real-time engagement. Alerts help you acknowledge your supporters, creating a more interactive experience. For some communities, using anonymous follower alerts can make new viewers feel more comfortable to lurk without feeling called out. Depending on your community, this can be a great way to let lurkers come out of their shell in their own time. Mistake number 6, focusing too much on viewer counts. It's easy to get obsessed with the numbers, but growth takes time. One crucial tip is to hide your viewership count. Seeing those numbers can distract you from engaging with your audience and providing commentary. Focus on what truly matters, your content and your community. Mistake 7, not learning from feedback. Whether it's from your community, a mentor, or just reviewing your own streams, growth comes from learning. See, I too have made this mistake time and time again. I'd get so stuck in my own head about how things should go on my stream that it actually cost me viewers because of my hard-headed mentality. You really need to flow with what works for your community and be open to adapting. Mistake number 8, overcomplicating your setup. You don't need the fanciest gear to stream. Focus on simplicity and quality. This is yet another mistake I've made myself. I focused heavily on my branding and how my stream looked instead of honing in on what made my viewers come back, which was being silly and providing everyone with good laughs. Remember, it's not about how it looks, but about the experience that you provide. Number 9, trying to copy big streamers. While it's great to be inspired by what they do right, it's crucial to seek out what makes you unique. For instance, you will notice that developed creators have their own styles, and that's part of what makes them so appealing. Focus on what makes you unique and embrace your personal brand to set you apart from the crowd. Finally, here we are at the end. Mistake number 10, giving up too soon. Being live all the time is not the answer to success on any streaming platform. Remember how we discussed the funnel with our content? With a lack of discoverability, it's good to put yourself out there on all fronts via shorts, long-form content, and general social media posts. Check out the link in the description for a previous video discussing a deeper dive on this subject. Thanks for watching. What mistakes have you made as a streamer? What would you like me to do a deeper dive on? Post it in the comments below. And if you want more tips or to see me live in action, follow me on Twitch where I go live every week. Lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Later.